It's getting better, and I think a big part of that is the community, the ecosystem. So DataStax, Instacluster, The Last Pickle, those are all great resources, and just like a lot of contributors to the open source project. There's proposals to build an official sidecar project, and just kind of pointing out the areas where it's still not quite user friendly, and but it feels like it's constant sort of incremental change. It's good. So.
Ooh, understanding how to get the highest performance out of it, performance tuning, understanding the impact of read latencies and scaling out the database and in general cram out as much performance as you can. That's not easy.
Use it, try it. That's the thing. You have to actually get your hands on that.
Leveraging the resources that are out there, so things like DataStax Academy are great. The Apache documentation is great, and getting better. And I think reaching out to people on social media too. Like there's a good community presence on sites like Twitter.
Anyone should go to the DataStax documentation and what do you call it, like tutorials and stuff. That's where I learned all my stuff. So
I'm really excited about DataStax Enterprise and about the graph database capabilities and reaching scales of vertices and edges that are currently still theoretical but possible.
There's an old saying that most databases take 10 years to establish themselves. And we are kind of getting there with Cassandra. So I think Cassandra is about to hit its real stride now. And I think there's a lot of very positive things going on in the environment with next generations and a potential move to a storage engine architecture. I think that can really kick it into high gear.